This review is for all of the folks that like to keep a clean and tidy garage because if you've got extension cords or air compressor hoses or any other large water hose, hanging tools, anything like that, that is just strung up and thrown everywhere, I've got the perfect solution for you. I was sent these storage straps. These are the extension cord holder tools. It's like an organizer storage cable strap. I mean, honestly, which one looks better? It's great for hoses. It's great for extension cords. It's great for air compressor hoses, water hoses, anything like that. And it's Velcro. It'll hold up to 60 pounds and you can just hang it. It's gonna look so much more nicer. It's gonna organize your garage. It's gonna keep all that stuff from getting tangled up and being just a huge mess because that can be so frustrating. So this is a 6-pack. It's a variety in sizes, as you can see here, but look how easy this is. Super simple, easy to do. You need to put this in your husband's stocking, in your wife's stocking. If they love to organize and they have a messy garage and it drives them nuts, they're gonna want this. Go ahead and put it in their stocking for Christmas and they will enjoy it.